Hello and welcome back to the Olymp Trade channel, the place to be if you want to improve your trading game. My name is Alex, and in my last video with Gaspar, we explored the 5 essential steps to creating your own trading strategy using the delightful masala tea as an example. In today's video, we are going to put theory into practice and examine the market conditions and indicators that can significantly increase your chances of making successful scalping trades. First of all, what is scalping? Well, scalping is a form of day trading that involves opening and closing trades multiple times throughout the day in order to profit from small price swings or short-term market volatility. Unlike long-term trading, scalping requires a disciplined approach to decision-making and a reliance on some technical indicators to identify the best entry point, since every second counts. Since we are trying to exploit rapid price movements that are often influenced by economic shifts and geopolitical events, and depending on your trading style, different indicators can be effective. However, some indicators like the simple moving average, Williams percentage R, parabolic SAR, the MACD, and RSI usually tend to stand out. So in this video, we'll focus mainly on the simple moving average because of its ability to determine if an asset price trend will continue or reverse. The RSI and the parabolic SAR in turn can help you determine the reversal point in the price channel. Keep in mind that when scalping, you can trade in both directions since small price changes happen often. So it is important to analyze short-term charts like 15 seconds to 5 minutes. And if you often trade on major currency pairs such as the Euro USD, the British Pound USD, or on commodities like gold, Brent, or silver, don't make the mistake of ignoring important economic reports like the PPI, CPI, and the interest rate decisions. I remember one time I forgot to check the economic calendar, and it was the day the US non-farm payroll data was due for release. And guess what? I got in when the news broke. Price was initially moving up, but it went back down by the end of the 5th minute. Looking back, I'm convinced I could have made some good profit if I'd gotten before the release. This is why ignoring the news can be costly. Never let your emotions dictate when and how you trade. Let's get practical. Join me as we look into some essential indicators for scalping. Remember, analyzing real-time data is critical, as it's not just about patterns. Market volatility is also important for identifying potential scalping opportunities. Okay, so here is our chart. Currently, we can see we have the Asian Composite Index, Commodity Composite Index, all with higher profitability. So in this case, since we are going to be scalping, I'm going to set up the indicators. So first, just like I mentioned earlier, we are going to use the simple moving average. So in this case, let me add one more. So we have SMA 2020. These are the default settings. In our case, since we are looking for crossovers or potential areas for reversals, we are going to change the period to 5 and also change the color to red, just so it's very easy to distinguish between the higher period and the lower ones. So 513, change this color to green. Perfect. At this point, let's add our RSI, which should be here, oscillators. Bam. Next up, let's add our parabolic SAR. That is the stop and reverse. So indicators, we have parabolic SAR. You'd notice that for the RSI, we maintain the default setting of 14. However, for the parabolic SAR, we increase the period to 5 because we want to identify areas for reversals and trend continuation. So back to our chart. As I mentioned in our previous video, that is my video with Gaspar, I mentioned that you can, in terms of determining the ideal duration for a trading strategy, you can use charts charts that are 5 times or 4 times the duration as your time frame. So in this case, as you can see, since we are going to be scalping for a minute, I'd have to switch the chart to 15 seconds. Bingo. So 15 seconds, we can see the trend of the market, that is within a shorter time frame. However, for confirmation, that is, we can switch to a minute to confirm. So now, let's look at the chart. In my case, I can see gold is in a stable trend. However, let's check out the Asian Composite Index. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna look at this. I think we should check out gold. Okay, so 15 seconds. For risk management, I'm going to reduce the amount to $200 per trade. So now we're looking for a crossover between SMA 5 and SMA 13, and depending on the direction, we'll connect that with the relative strength index. Once it's crossed the 50 line, or also the 70 line, we'll be able to identify potential areas for reversal, and the parabolic SAR to identify the trend of the market. So let's see if we go up. I think I might be tempted to open an up trade here. So let's see. I think I'll go up. And also let's check out the European Composite Index. 1 minute. The market is volatile, but then I think I might also go up because I can spot a reversal here. Oh, so gold. And since we still have the opportunity of trading in both directions, don't worry if this trade results in loss. I'm more than likely to open a down trade using the martingale. Okay. Okay, let's try again. I think I might go down here. I think since we have a crossover here, let's go down. Bingo. And then move back. Remember, more to that is I went ×2 on the trade amount because of the initial loss. So let's hold on. I think for main deal in this case, I might go down. Oops, go down again. However, let's check out the one on the 1 minute time frame. Price move up or down. Let's see. Damn, that was pretty close. Okay, let's try again. See the Asian Composite Index. Move up. Let's check out Commodity Composite Index. Oh, gold closed in profit. Nice one. Let's see. I think this would also close in profit. Got times 2. Boom. Let's open one more. I think let's change the time frame. So we have a crossover. This would have been an ideal moment to enter. However, I think I'll go up on the reversal. Bingo, let's see. Okay, so you have the parabolic case below the price chart, signifying an uptrend or potential uptrend. Once we have a crossover, I think I'll go times 2 again. Let's try one more. Use this back. Boom, closed in profit. I think we can start a countdown. So we have one more candle to go. Another moment of truth. So let's see. And boom, gotcha. So I think we made some good profit, as you can see. Wow. I'm tempted to open one more. However, I have to, for risks and money management. Oh, okay. I have a full body candlestick here. Let's see if we go above the 70. Let's see. Oh, we have an uptrend here. Let's go one more. So in this case, there could be a reversal. Let's see. I'm just waiting for a confirmation that is from the parabolic SAR. Once it moves on top of the candlestick, then it serves as a confirmation for projected downtrend. So let's see. Let's see. However, let me check. Let me look at 1 minute. And for 5 minutes. Oh. I think I'll get in here as well. Let me reduce this to 200 and let's see. Price moves down to see if it's too early to determine the result, but I'm very optimistic. Let's okay, nice one. Ideally, I could. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna hold on, because comparing $16 to 200, I'm confident. Let's see. And boom, gotcha. Okay, so I think that'll be all. That was very exciting. So few trades type from a reward. Let's see. So as you can see, scalping can be very rewarding if you go in with the right strategy and manage your risk. If this video has inspired you to try scalping on the FTT mode, I recommend you to try on your demo account first. At least it's a safe way to dip your toes in without risking any real money. But remember, the market waits for no one, and the best time to start is now. And don't forget to check out my last video with Gaspar about the 5 essential steps to creating your own trading strategy. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. And thank you for joining. I wish you success in your trading journey.